iOS 18.1 Beta 6 brings a range of subtle, yet impactful improvements aimed at enhancing the overall user experience. One of the most notable areas of focus is performance optimization, with Apple addressing various bugs and glitches from earlier beta versions. These refinements contribute to smoother device responsiveness, making day-to-day tasks more efficient for users. Along with these tweaks, general bug fixes have been applied, ensuring the system runs more reliably and with fewer interruptions. Interactive widgets have seen notable enhancements in this update. Users can now do more directly from the home screen without needing to fully open the associated app. This adds a new layer of functionality and convenience, enabling quicker access to essential app features. Customization options for widgets have also been expanded, giving users more control over the appearance and layout of their home screens, making iOS 18.1 more personalized. Another area that sees improvements is Standby mode, which was introduced in iOS 17. With this latest beta, the mode is now more responsive and offers additional customization options. Users can now display real-time information, such as fitness stats, timers, and notifications, directly in Standby mode. These updates make it easier to stay informed without having to unlock the device frequently, providing a more streamlined user experience. The Messages app also gets a boost with better syncing across devices, ensuring a seamless experience whether you're using an iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Additionally, FaceTime has been optimized for smoother transitions between audio and video calls, and video quality has been improved, particularly in low-light environments. These tweaks enhance communication, especially for users who rely heavily on FaceTime for both personal and professional conversations. In terms of usability, Siri has become faster and more accurate in responding to voice commands. This improvement comes alongside better keyboard autocorrect and predictive text, especially for those who type in multiple languages. These updates reduce friction and make everyday interactions with the iPhone more intuitive. Finally, battery life remains a key focus, with further optimizations in this beta. Background activity management has been fine-tuned to ensure that apps consume less power when not in active use, contributing to longer battery life overall. This combination of small but meaningful enhancements ensures that iOS 18.1 Beta 6 not only addresses earlier issues, but also brings noticeable improvements in functionality and user convenience.